Digital devices are crucial, I believe, to enhance the learning that's happening in the classroom.
I have seen digital devices become more prevalent in classrooms and seen their use diversify over the years. It used to be, Catherine, should I use technology? And now it is, how can I use that technology to engage my students both emotionally and cognitively?
In the last few years, we've talked a lot about 21st century skills. And some of the most important skills are what we call the 4 C's. So communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. Now, mobile devices allow for those skills to be worked on.
As soon as you integrate some form of technology, there's an interest level, there's a motivation level, the engagement goes up, and suddenly they start showing things about what they know that you didn't even know they knew.
If we bring technology into the classroom, we're accessing their prior knowledge, and together we can build and create, and they can express their learning to us.
At the beginning of the year, we purchased Chromebooks so that we could put all the devices into the hands of students in the classroom. So in my classroom, they're out all the time. The students go up and take them to work on their assignments.
So I think when students are engaged in problem-solving projects or other projects and digital devices are involved, it really allows students to collaborate and work from each of their strengths. So whereas one student might be really engaged in some of the tinkering and the hands-on stuff, that particular student can collaborate with members of their group to help them out there, whereas another may be more engaged through some of the coding that's involved and can be able to contribute that way. And every student can be validated through their strengths at the same time learning from each other.
So if they prefer to do it on paper, sometimes they can. And if they prefer to have a computer, they're welcome to as well. So we use it, I kind of wanted to use the technology like you would in real life. If you need it, you grab it. If you don't, you don't.
I've noticed digital devices having an impact on my students in terms of making a level playing field, especially for students who are maybe more shy in expressing themselves in front of a classroom.
They're able to document using film, they're able to record their science experiments, they're able to reflect on their learning and communicate with each other what they have learned in the classroom.
End product is beautiful, yet the learning curve to use those technologies wasn't steep at all. It was actually easy, which allows to focus on the learning and not on how does this tool work.
It's pretty amazing what they're capable of doing. They tend to go above and beyond. That's been my experience, is that they go above and beyond. If we just let go a little, without losing sight of the main target of learning, they tend to surpass our greatest expectations.